In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're creating a website for your personal use, a business, or a school project, knowing how to add pages will significantly enhance your site's structure and functionality. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, simply type Google Sites and hit Enter. This will bring up the search results and you should see Google Sites among the top links. Click on it and you'll be directed to the main Google Sites page. Now once you are on the Google Sites homepage, you'll either see a list of previously created sites or a Create option, if this is your first time. If you've worked here before, locate the site where you want to add your new page. Just browse through your listed sites, and when you find the one you want, click on it to open it. Once your chosen site is open, the interface will display a menu on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see options such as Insert, Pages, and Themes. You want to focus on the Pages option, so go ahead and click on that. When the Pages menu opens up, you'll notice a plus icon located at the bottom. This plus icon signifies the option to add a new page to your site. Clicking on the plus icon will prompt the site to ask you for a name for your new page. Think about the purpose of this page. You might call it something like About Us, Contact, or perhaps Portfolio depending on its content. Type your chosen name into the provided space. After naming your new page, a Done button will appear. Clicking on this button finalizes the creation of your new page, and it will immediately be added to your website's menu. This allows visitors to easily navigate to it from any other page within your site. And there you have it. Your new page has been successfully added to your Google Sites project. Remember, you can always go back and add more pages or edit the existing ones as your site evolves. This process is straightforward and allows for a lot of flexibility. You have the control to not only add pages quickly, but also reorganize them as your website grows. Keep practicing and experimenting with the different elements within Google Sites to get the most out of your online presence. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.